60 Seconds Property Sense by Janet Becker.
As the residential area agent for Orkney, I'm asked why Orkney. Honestly, because there's still real value here. Orkney has changed over the years, just like any other town in South Africa. But what many people overlook is the opportunity this area still offers. We're positioned close to Klerksdorp, which means residents still have access to major hospitals, shopping centres and larger business hubs without paying the Klerksdorp property prices. And compared to many surrounding areas, Orkney still offers incredible affordability for families, first-time buyers and even investors. The town also remains closely linked to the mining industry, with surrounding mines and related sectors continuing to support employment opportunities in this area. You've got schools, local businesses, community roots, and the Vaal River lifestyle all wrapped in one. Is Orkney perfect? No. But neither is any town right now. What matters is potential, and Orkney still has plenty of it. Affordable property, established communities, access to opportunity, and space to build a future. Let me guide you home.